Biotech valuations are changing, and as a founder or scientist, you need to know the new rules of the game. We analyzed over 1,700 biotechs and 3,000 clinical programs to see how valuations are shifting and what this means for you. At the start of 2025, we saw a major reset in investor sentiment, and biotech values have been slashed across the board regardless of stage and data quality. But one truth remains: biotechs with very good phase 3 data are still the most valued. Even after dropping from $2.46 billion to $1.41 billion, they far outperform their peers across all development stages. For everything else, though, we're seeing a continued decline. Phase 2 with good data fell from $944 million to $403 million. And assets in Phase 1 and preclinical with poor to medium data are now consistently below $100 million. Quality is no longer the question, it has to be good. And it's the only thing that differentiates the winners from the losers in today's environment. We dug deeper into the very good Phase 3 programs and found they were mostly clustered around large, well-defined market opportunities: obesity at $130 billion, cardiovascular disease at $100 billion, oncology at $90 billion, rare diseases at $60 billion, and ASH at $50 billion, cystic fibrosis at $30 billion, and others at roughly $40 billion combined. These areas aren't just scientifically important, they're where investors are still betting big. Top biotech programs in these spaces are leveraging robust clinical data to retain their value even in a challenging environment. What does this mean for you? First, the science has to be good. A smaller group of companies will have access to larger pools of capital. Investors will continue to favor later-stage programs with a clear path to value. And there is an opportunity to build the next generation of biotechs by targeting high-value indications with shorter, more efficient clinical trials. If you're a founder or scientist, make the investor logic part of your development strategy early. Target high-value opportunities. Focus on generating clinical data that tells a compelling story. And if you're navigating this new terrain, prioritize where value converges: late-stage data plus high-value indications. The market is clearly rewarding rigor, relevance, and focus, and we're here to help you get there.